everyone, and welcome to Baazex weekly market update from our office here in Dubai, sunny Dubai. As always, last week was another aggressive trading, mainly in commodities, where gold increased by more than 3%. And by the way, gold exceeded 4,200 per ounce, a new record high in gold, a new record high in gold. And the trend is still bullish. And even if we have seen short-lived correction, it was a kind of expected correction, technically speaking, and it was a profit-taking as well after the massive rally in gold. So gold is trading above 4,250 right now. And by the way, gold is still up by more than 60% in 2025. And gold as well, as I said, gold still have a very strong volatility on Monday as well. In silver gained by more than 80% in 2025, and silver, by the way, exceeded 52, a new record high as well in silver. So it's really a great volatility in commodities. While oil fell by almost 3%. It was not good week for oil markets. In currencies, we have seen that dollar index, the XY, fell by 0.7%, giving the way for higher euro and bond. USD/JPY fell by almost 1%. So it was a very strong volatility in USD/JPY as well. And as we may know, USD/JPY remained highly correlated to the bond yield in America. So when the bond yields in America started to fall, USD/JPY started to fall as well. So it was following the trend. So now we have stability somehow in the trend, and now that's why we have seen somehow stability in USD/JPY on Monday. This week is going to be another busy week, but the biggest and the major news will be likely on Thursday and Friday. So we will have IMF meeting, yearly meeting, still going on. And on Monday, we will have the Chinese GDP number in Q3. And China economy is expected to grow by 4.8%. It will be the weakest growth in a year since Q3 2024. So be prepared for the Chinese data. And this is on Monday. On Tuesday, we will have US weekly crude oil inventories will be issued by American Petroleum Institute on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we'll have the inflation from UK, and we will have ECB Chairman Lagarde speech. And on Thursday, we'll have the Japanese inflation, which is still staying at almost 2.8%, higher than Bank of Japan target at 2%. And on Friday, we will have the US CPI, inflation from America, that is still at 3.1%. And 3.1% means that inflation in America remained higher than the Federal Reserve target of 2%. So it's very, very difficult for the Federal Reserve to keep the target at 2%. Mainly now, we have 3.1%, and the Federal Reserve is likely to cut rates. So just imagine what exactly going to happen to the inflation in America. And not to forget that the U.S. government shutdown is still going on. So we are not going to have a lot of U.S. economic data as well. Not to forget that the U.S. jobless claims in the last 2 weeks have not been issued, and the U.S. non-farm payroll as well. So expected a gradual higher volatility, mainly starting from Tuesday and Wednesday. And as you may know, we are here to support you. So on Baazex platforms, you can follow up, and you can just keep yourself updated by the news updates and even technical analysis that we are already sending to the clients on weekly basis. So thank you very much.